I'm going to begin. Name of follows most mighty and most merciful. Welcome back to my channel, Code Media Science. This channel you will learn all of the coding tutorials and many more things to learn about the coding. So let's start. So today in this video you are going to learn a new coding language that is used to build software for building items, building products and making more things. So now what I am going to do, I am going to tell you about the amazing language PHP. What is PHP? How does it work? And what you should already know. So I am going to tell you in this video the introduction of the PHP. Let's go. So first of all you have to know a thing that to know PHP, first of all we will know what is PHP. What is PHP? The full meaning of the PHP. What is the meaning of the words? The full form: hypertext processor. You can say preprocessor. Yes, exactly. We can say this. The full form of PHP is this. So, and what is its use of PHP? Why we use PHP? A server-side scripting language embedded in HTML in the simplest form. So, this is a language that is in HTML and used to code like a scripting language. It is unscripted language, we can say. So, PHP code will be executed on the server. So, basically, the text we are going to see, the result we are going to see, that will show on the server. So, what you should already know. Before you continue, you should have a basic understanding of the following things: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the three languages you have to know before doing PHP. If you want to study this subject first, you can see my tutorials in the YouTube channel. So let's start. What is PHP? PHP is widely used open source scripting language. It is a scripting language. PHP scripts are executed on the server. The PHP codes, the PHP scripts are executed on the server. That means that all of the PHP content, all of the PHP things are going to be executed in the server. It's on server where the code is going to be shown. The other thing is PHP is free to download and use. We are going to use free PHP and download it. So now we are going to know why PHP is an amazing and popular language. If you don't know about in world, there are 75% websites which is created with PHP, and it is powerful enough to be at the core of the biggest blogging system on the web, WordPress. Even the WordPress website are created with PHP. It is deep enough to run large social networks. It is deep. It is so much deep. So we can run many large networks. It is also easy enough to be beginner's first server-side language. It is so much. We can say it is so much easy to learn. Beginners can learn it so much easily. And now we are going to know what is a PHP file. PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP code. Second, PHP code is executed on the server and the result is turned to the browser as plain HTML. That basically the PHP is the same of HTML, but the code we not going to show in HTTPS. It will show in the local host 5200. So number 3, PHP file have extension .php. Which file we are going to create? Any file we are going to create. After the file name, we are going to add .php. Like the same .html in HTML or in PHP.php. What can PHP do? Let's see. Number 1, PHP can generate dynamic page content. Second, PHP can create, open, read, delete, and close file on the server. PHP can collect from form data. PHP can send and receive cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in my database. PHP can be used to control user access. And PHP can encrypt data. With PHP, you are not limited to output HTML. You can output images or PDF files too. So now, this is all, and why the PHP is created. Why PHP? PHP runs on various platforms: Windows, Unix, Mac, OS, etc. PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today: Apache, IIS, etc. PHP supports a wide range of database. PHP is free. Download it from the official PHP resource www.php.net. You can download from here. The link is in the description. So this was the PHP whole. So now we are going to know how to install the PHP. How we are going to install the PHP code. To install PHP code, it is so much easy. First of all, the things you are going to need to download the PHP server. First of all, open your favorite browser. My favorite is Google. Your favorite can be anyone. So open any. So let's write. First of all, we are going to write here the main code editor. We are going to do writing. You can download any other tool, but my favorite is going to be VS Code, Visual Studio Code Editor defined. My favorite is this because there are many options. There are many things that make it my favorite, because there are drop downs when I am writing, and I prefer YouTube because that is free and that is so much good with all of the extensions and many more. So I'm going to use the Visual Studio. But you can use Sublime Text. If you're Windows 7, I will prefer you to Sublime 3 because that is free, and with you can say little bit same things of like the Visual Studio. And there are many more items, replicate, many more. So our first thing is going to be downloading VS Code. The first link, like this, go to the Windows 10, 11 down, and then XAMPP. What is going to use them? There are many more, like LAMP, but XAMPP is the XAMPP server is so much good. How? There are many things that is not in the MAP and LAMP server. I love XAMPP. Download. Click here for other versions, or you can go for the XAMPP for Windows. Click it. After clicking it, wait. And there are the community and readings. If that is not started, come here, and there will be your download will start shortly. And wait. If there is an downloading problem, you can go for the problem, like first I will. You can write it XAMPP again. Like this. Go down. You can download from here to XAMPP for Windows. Come here. Click this. Like the latest version, and it will be done. The same thing you have to download, and it is easy. After you have downloaded it, so where is going to become and how will it work, and it will that easy or hard, I am going to tell you in next video. So first of all, we are going to show if there is any problem to download. So I will show you how can we fix it. You can see here it has been started for downloading. You can see here the XAMPP server is started. So it is going to be open in the file explorer. So in which disk you have put it, there will be it. How will that? It first of all come down. Direct to this PC. In my PC there are two disks, local disk A, C and D. I will open C. That's it. After opening C, you can see here there are many open things. You can see XAMPP user, and there will be same XAMPP file, or you can say in your other like local disk A, that can be. So but which file you had chosen, there can be, and you can do it like disk to disk, file to file. So after downloading our XAMPP, we will know more. So in this video, the content and here. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get my new videos and new content in the daily routine. So Allah Hafiz.